Aio ki te rangi, aio ki te uenua, aio ki te moana, aio ki ngā tangata katoa, tihei mauri ora. Kia ora mai tātou, ko Bodhi tōku ingoa, he uri tēnei no Te Awa. My name is Bodhi, and welcome to our spring flyover video of the Ngāuranga ki Pitooni section of Te Ara Tupua. We begin our flyover at the northern end of the project, with State Highway 2 running to the right of us. Here you can see the new shared pathway taking shape. Finishing works are underway at Horo Kiwi Uranga. Here, the first native plants along the shared path have recently been installed. 6 vertical seawalls have been placed along the project footprint. These structures protect sensitive, rocky beach habitat along the coastline, which is utilised by many coastal foraging birds. We also have 6 uranga, rest areas along the project, all located at sites of cultural significance. These areas will provide space for people to sit and relax, enjoy this newly accessible landscape, and learn and connect with our iwi histories, as well as vertical seawalls and natural rock revetments that surround the uranga. The majority of our seawall is built using the Xblocks Plus units, interlocking blocks that form a strong armour-like wall. These units underwent extensive wave modelling and seismic testing, and their future-proof design will ensure lasting protection for both the road and rail. Our iwi design lead Len Hettit worked closely with coastal engineers and ecologists to integrate cultural and environmental elements onto the unit's surface. Hettit gifted the modified units the name Te Ara, which embodies our cultural narratives and iwi whakatauki of guardianship over the rippling water. Te Ara has coinciding environmental benefits that mimic the rocky foreshore and increase complexity for marine growth. We're wrapping up the final stage of our seawall works, installing the last of the ecological barriers designed to screen roosting birds from disturbance, while still allowing visibility for shared path users. Here we're also working with Kiwi Rail to upgrade essential infrastructure for the rail line. As we approach the centralmost uranga, Karanga Point, you will see our team placing the final Xblocks along the project. That's all 6,668 now complete, a major milestone here. The final Xblocks units are securing the last of 27 culvert outlets, which are integrated across our seawall. Positive ecological outcomes continue to be delivered from our 2 offshore habitats. We've placed artificial tide pools amongst the offshore structures, as well as in the revetment surrounding each uranga. The ecologically engineered structures mimic natural rock pools, attracting species onto the revetment to increase its diversity of marine life. Not long to go now, team. The 4.5 kilometre long, 5 metre wide shared path will provide a safe, separated connection between Wellington and Lower Hutt, offering stunning views along the way. Tahataharoa is one of the largest uranga placed along Te Ara Tupua. Before it was uplifted in the 1855 earthquake, this beach made for easy waka landings along a largely rocky and dangerous shoreline. The visual shows what the uranga will look like following its completion. You can really start to see the shared path taking shape and appreciate the narrow working corridor our kaimahi have to navigate each and every day, a challenging, tight space located between the active rail line and the harbour's edge. They've done a great job delivering in these conditions. Now that the revetment is close to completion, the finishing works are well underway. Our team have made good progress installing the utilities, curbing, pavement preparation, and installing korora nest boxes amongst the revetments. And finally, welcome to Piki Wahine, the southernmost uranga which connects with the over rail bridge at Ngāuranga. You would have seen the bridge really starting to come to life over the last 2 months. This is no doubt one of the most complex and exciting structures we're building at Te Ara Tupua Alliance. The bridge will provide safe, reliable access over the rail line for all shared path users, linking Hutt Road with Te Ara Tupua. Designed with safety and accessibility in mind, it will accommodate all our community's needs. Thanks for flying with us on Te Ara Tupua. Nō reira, mauri ora kia tātou katoa.